It's time now for our bite of the week. It comes from a Helsha St. Catherine resident. As many people in the country remained frantic over the container of chicken that washed up on a beach in the community, he says he's been having a feast. Here's our bite of the week.
Get about 14 bucks. You see me? I don't have no problem with them. Same day I fry, same day I jerk. Same day I do everything with chicken. Honestly, I was about 3 pack me have out of 14 bucks.
So what you do with the rest? Sell, consume?
What I do? Yes, man, remember, so we have to hustle in here, you them have to survive, you know. Yeah, man, so we sell, we consume, we have feast out of it.